Meet Joe, a sales manager at a busy recreation dealership. Joe spends most of his day managing inbound leads for his sales reps. But he typically doesn't have enough information to prioritize the highest quality leads for his team. That's where Rollick and the Lightspeed integration comes in. With Rollick Score and Rollick Lens integrated within Lightspeed, Joe can quickly access the lead's likelihood to purchase, which is represented on a 1 to 5 flame scale, and track website shopping and engagement activity before and after the lead was submitted. While the prospect is making a purchase decision, Rollick triggers a series of automated dealer-branded nurture emails based on their Rollick Score and lead form data captured during the shopping process. The personalized emails contain content such as financing and buying tips, how to obtain a trade-in value on an existing unit, and other useful content designed to promote Joe's dealership. By leveraging the Rollick and Lightspeed integration, Joe's dealership can prioritize their daily sales follow-ups with prospects who are ready to purchase, keep track of shopping behavior on his website, and increase their customer contact rate, leading to a 2x close rate increase. To find out more, visit lightspeeddms.com/Rollick today and see how Rollick and Lightspeed can revolutionize your dealership sales process.